you all? I hope all are fine. Hi parents. This is for you a small suggestion from my end. Here I have received some activities. It's related to how to engage our kids when they are having a free time. And also in Chana Creatives YouTube channel Kids Talent event participate number 3. Participants are Shravani, Hitan, Sakshi and Vaibhav. Those kids, they express their talent very well and good. When they'll be having a free time, how they have to be engaged with different activities. Please do watch and follow the different activities to engage our kids. A small important note, those who have not subscribed my channel, please click on the bell icon and subscribe. Please encourage the kids by giving more likes and views. Bye bye.
Children, you can see how I draw. Yeah, this is the starting points. Next, see that this is the position. Yes, you can see. Now this is the starting point and you go for here. Hoping like 10 boxes you can different. This is the side jump. Side jumps. See here. Here now this is the frog jump. You can do 10 or 20 times, no problem. Again, just slow walk and rest time. See here, shapes. Then you can go like this. Then you go for jump and back jump like 5 times. See here, I made one boxes here. Lines. Again, back jump. Okay, children? That is the 3 repetition you have to do. Here, jumping jocks 20 times. Okay. Next, this one is stretching. 5-10 times you have to do. Okay, children. Now again, slow walk. Slow walk. See again here. Again, walk and relax. See here, skipping. If you don't have skipping, you can go for just small. Just think like that. You have a skipping rope. If you don't have, just action you have to do 30 times. You want to more, you can increase. Now again, slow walk. This is the sit-ups position. You have to do 15, 20, 30, which one you are comfortable. Now this is 2 legs jumping and single leg. See, like this you have to do. And this is the fast running and back running, like that 10 times you have to do. Again, just one turn and finish. Okay, children. Can I show once again? See. See, look at here. This is the start. This is the starting and you have to draw like this. Boxes, after that jumping, side jumping, again jumping jogs and relax and walk slowly. Next you go for make a one line jumpings and here jumping jogs, stretchings, you can come this side, skipping and rest time and skipping. You can go for sit-ups, then you have to go for fast and back run and finish. Now I will show the demo. Here some children, more children are there. Just I will show the demo. Here one person, now he is a one kid, he will do the demo. Now check it. Children, you can see one boy is doing now. You can observe the how he is doing. Okay, children? Yes. Slowly. Slow frog jump. That is called frog jump. And take relax. Walk slowly. See, now he is going. Jump. Slowly. Back jump. Slowly. Again take 1 minute rest. Again come. Jump. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, like that 3-4 times you can do. Now this is relax. He is going to do now jumping jogs. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You want to more, you can do. Now change another one, stretching. Try to back leg. Just don't bend the back leg. Again, you can check it back once again. He'll do once again, stretching. Back leg, yes. Don't bend your back leg, stretch. Very good. Now see. Now slowly will come. Now he's taking relax, slowly. Now next what he's going to do? Yes. Now he's going to do skippings. How many times? 30 times. If you want, you can reduce. Otherwise, increase how many you can do as much as possible. Okay. Now he's doing, see. Start skipping. Now he's going one more time walk, and what he's going to do now? Sit ups. Take position first and sit ups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend your knees properly. Sit properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now take 1 minute rest again. Again something, another one. Check it. Yeah. Jump. Again. Fast run 10 times. Again back run. Back run. Yes. Yes, you have to turn around and finish it. Yes, he did it. Now one more girl is doing now. Yes, children, you can watch her. Start. Slow walk. Rock jump. Yes. Slowly jump. Back jump. Back jump. Jump properly, children. Yes. Go back. Jump little. Lift your legs up. Jump properly. 1. No hurry. Slowly you have to do. Next, going to do jumping jocks. Yes, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, stretching. Just slowly walk. If you don't know skipping, you can. Normal jumping you can do, children. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Yes, now walk. Walk. Yes, now. Third. Come on, children. Practice. 2 legs jumping, see. Again, try to come forward. 3 repetition you can do, children. Go back. Lift your legs up. Legs up. Yes. Now fast run. Back run. Fast run. Back run. Fast run. Turn around. Yes. Finish. Children, you can do this one. Children, look at here. You can take any blocks or any stones or which one you like comfortable. Just make a draw like this. So one circle and one more circle here. Just you draw 1, 2, 3 numbers like this. You can go your terrace comfortable place. I'm doing in her outside. See here. This is a starting point you can use, and finishing point also you can use. See here. So how many boxes you require you can draw. See here. Now we'll show the demo. Just look at the demo. Take one block, put it in one first block, then again go back, again one more block. See there. Yes. This is the way to run. For this is the explosive strength. Finished. Again is going back. Yeah, and you have to go and run fast and pick the block and keep it in the same place. First you have to do very slowly. Slowly. If you perfect in this activity, you can go for back run also. See, collect the blocks. Yeah, standing. See, look at her. Yeah, you try. You can see her. Yes, start, Dhruti. Yes, start. Collect one block and keep it. Again. Try to do this very slowly. 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 Don't go for fast. Slowly. Don't walk. Little. Slow jog. Slow jog. Slow jog. Here I made 5 boxes. You can make 10. Go back fastly. Now you can do fastly. Pick the boxes and put it back. Run fast. Still more fast. So you can increase your time limit also you can put. Now we'll see 1/4 children you did individual. Now you can put competition also, like 2 or 3 also is not a problem. And now I made 2 numbers here. So this is like competition. So who will do fastly? We'll start now. Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You can go back, run again. You have to collect again, collect the blocks. Little fast. Pick up your stamina. Fast, Ravani. Fast, Ravani. Last one more.